All right, Subaru's back up in the air today, babies. Why? Oil change time. And this time of year, whenever I do an oil change, I always swap out the winter wheels. Not that I'm going to drive it a lot in the winter, but whenever the roads are clear, no salt, no slush, I try to give it exercise once every week or two, if possible. But anyway, in addition to the oil change and swapping out the summer for winter wheels for the season, I also like to look at the brake pad thickness. Luckily, this time we're looking good. Not new, but nowhere close to dangerously low, and they all look about the same as this, so that's great. And on this car, we need to check something else very specific, and that is because, if you'll recall, last winter I put a lot of aftermarket components in the rear suspension when I was doing a resto mod on the subframe back there and the underbody and everything. So some of those components, the Cusco upper control arms and the SPC Racing toe arms, those are actually meant for track use only, and that's to say that they're designed with the idea that you're going to adjust them and tighten them every time before you hit the track. So if you just throw them on there, do an alignment, tighten down the jam nuts, by the time you hit your next oil change, it's going to be all out of whack because those jam nuts will loosen up on you. Me and my alignment tech came up with an idea that we're just going to goop the hell out of them with lots of thread locker after he does the alignment and tighten them up to spec, which we did, and now it's been about 3,000 miles, and I'm going to take a look at those, make sure they're holding up, see how that theory went. As you can see here, they look really great, both of them. A little goopy, but that's the point. They haven't moved, they're not loose. Previously, before we tried this idea, they would become so loose within 3,000 miles that you could just turn them by hand, so it's real easy to check. And with that, she's ready to get tucked in for a luxurious winter of mostly sitting around the garage.